Hi guys, this is Jerry with another video. In this video I'll show you how to actually block all the notifications on, all the website notifications on Google Chrome. It's kind of annoying that each and every time you visit a website, they offer you to send you notifications. Sometimes by mistakes you have to hit the button, then it keeps sending you notification. It sucks, right? I really hate it. I don't want any notifications from any websites. I hate it, absolutely hate it. But there are some guys who may want it, but in my case, I don't want it. I'll show you how to actually disable notifications completely on any website. Any website actually stops sending you this free offer to send you notifications from their website. So I'll show you how to do that. Just go to Google Chrome, then go to settings, and here settings, and this is where you do that. Okay. And here just scroll all the way down and you can see this site settings, then go there, and here you can see this notifications. So this is where you do this. Okay, it's actually by default it's enabled. Sites can ask to send notifications. This is the default settings. Sites can ask to send notifications. So if you enable this, each and every time you visit some website that have this notification system, it actually asks you to send you notifications like as a pop-up or somewhere else here, you know. In most cases you don't need any notifications from any websites, right? Unless it's native apps like, you know, Discord or Facebook. So in this case it's some random websites, so you can safely disable this. Okay, and if you don't want to completely disable it, just enable it, and you can actually enable or disable for individual websites. Like for example here is CNET, and if you want to enable website, you know, enable notification for this particular website, you can actually enable it. It's actually blocked here. You can allow or ask for, ask. This is the default when you enable it. So if you want to let any website to send notifications, you can actually set it here, allow. That's it. That's how you do that, and you can reset permission later. And if you want to go back or just here, you can just disable completely. Then no website will actually ask for this permission anymore. Okay, so that's how we actually block notifications from websites. I hope this helps. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe, and thanks for watching.